I would be lying if I say that I've not been worrying about the future of Divi because I've invested so much in this. And if we take a look at the competition, they are not messing around. I was playing around with Bricks Builder. Now this page builder is crazy fast. It's amazing, it's modern, and it is just fun to work with. If you take a look at what's happening with Elementor, they're producing all these amazing features. Now, just recently, they have the mega menu, which I did a video about, and there's also things like the loop builder. I mean, they have so much things that are really making them look really, really good. Now, that's the page builder side of things. There are companies investing in Gutenberg blocks like Generate blocks. We've got Cadence blocks. We also have Spectra. So these are companies which are really going into the Gutenberg side of things. And I think there is no denying that this is where the future is because WordPress is not going to go anywhere. And yesterday, when I heard Nick say,
"Today, we are releasing Divi 5.0 Dev Alpha,"
I was really excited because at least now Divi has changed their ways of doing things. Because if they waited to release Divi 5 probably a year from now, I don't think there was a coming back from that one because right now things are really, really crazy in terms of the competition. So let's take a look and see how I think Divi is going to make it. So if we take a look at the previous announcement, Nick mentioned that he was going to make Divi 5 compatible with Gutenberg. That is huge because if you can work alongside Gutenberg in your Divi builder, that is huge. Gutenberg is definitely going to be there, and there are going to be designers that are going to want to use Gutenberg as well because there are also other developers that will be working on these Gutenberg blocks. So having Divi to work alongside it is fantastic. Now, the reason why I think Divi is going to win this race is because they've built an ecosystem around Divi. So there's Divi Teams, there's Divi Cloud, and there's also the marketplace. And the other page builders out there don't have that. And this is a really, really good resource. So if they fix Divi and get rid of all the shortcodes, which they are going to do, and they make the builder easier to use, and also if they were to add, say, Flexbox, we are now going to be able to design complex websites which are really, really amazing. And plus the ecosystem as well. If we compare now to the other page builders, they don't really have that. But here's the thing. In the past, Divi managed to grow really fast because they invested so much in the content creation side of things. And if we take a look right now at some of the competition, they haven't really invested in the content creation side of things because it's very expensive, but it is the most rewarding because this is a tool, a creative tool, which potential customers wants to see how it works and how to see it in context. So without that, it's going to be very, very difficult for anyone to imagine how they can create something using these tools. So Divi made a very good move there. And because they have to continue doing that to have that edge, because I don't see Elegant Themes not creating a lot of tutorials or a lot of documentation and a lot of use case videos. This is going to mean that they might, I'm not saying they are, but they would have to get rid of the lifetime membership. Now, as a business model, think about it. The more they get these lifetime subscribers, the more they have to support. And these guys are not really bringing the money back in. Okay, they may buy a few things here and there in the marketplace to keep it going, but I don't see that lifetime membership continuing. I can see it being a yearly subscription. And this is why if you don't have your lifetime membership, just get it. You know what I mean? Just get it and just have it there just in case, because Elegant Themes is serious. With this release of the alpha, I think this is them saying, look, we are now committed. And in the video yesterday, they also mentioned that they're going to open this to the developers as well to start creating products around the new version of Divi. And this is great news. At the moment, I'm going to say I'm a bit more relaxed now, and I can look forward to Divi really producing a lot of amazing work in the future, because you can imagine I have a massive community of Divi users on my own membership. So transitioning all those users to a brand new platform would be Would be crazy. So this has really got me excited. I think the future of Divi is bright, and they are going to pull it off because obviously I've worked with Elegant Themes before. The team is super committed. What is happening right now is Divi is moving forward. They've proved it based on the video yesterday. The alpha is going to be out very soon, and we're going to be testing it. What are your thoughts on the future of Divi? Please leave your comments in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.